I'm gonna have to sign off because I think we ran out of space again. So I'll leave this run a little bit longer. It looks like most of the ice that we're dealing with has melted. These ditches, you can see, are very, very deep. Sure don't want to lose control on a patch of ice on this road. Well, any road really, but here we come up to some really treacherous, partially melted ice roads, kind of slushy. But the plan is to get off this road and get on to Mackinac Road and take it to US 10, and you pretty much know the route from there. You can go look at it if you want. I'm showing you what we're dealing with. We're still in the throes of the recent RUDOLPH-THE-REDNOSED-REINDEER, I've dubbed it, November snowstorm. And that's why I dubbed it RUDOLPH-THE-REDNOSED-REINDEER, because it is uncommon for such to be going on in November. But I am gonna, as we hit Mackinac Road here, I'm gonna close it off, and that'll be it for today's entries. Thank you and goodbye.